She thought it would be a quick spa day. Just a little self-care and pampering. But nothing prepared her for what happened next. What started as confidence turned into chaos. You won't believe what happened during her first Brazilian wax. Let's rewind a bit. Meet Emily, a 26-year-old teacher from Sydney. She had never gotten a Brazilian wax before. Her best friend told her, "It's the best thing you'll ever do." So, Emily finally booked her first appointment. She thought it would be quick, easy, and empowering. But that appointment would become unforgettable, for all the wrong reasons. Emily walked into the salon, nervous but trying to be brave. The room smelled like lavender. Calming music was playing softly in the background. The wax technician greeted her with a warm smile. "You'll feel just a slight tug," the technician said cheerfully. Emily nodded, unsure but willing to trust the process. And then, rip. A sudden sting shot through Emily's body. Her eyes widened. "Is this normal?" she gasped. The technician smiled, "Totally normal. You're doing great." Another strip. Another sting. Each one hurt more than the last. She instantly regretted not doing more research. The pain was real, and unforgettable. Emily somehow made it through the session. Her skin was smooth, but her soul was scarred. She laughed afterward, but inside, she swore to prepare better next time. Her advice: don't go in unprepared. Always exfoliate 24 hours before. Ask questions before the wax starts. And maybe take a mild painkiller beforehand. Oh, and never book your first session the day before a date. So, should you try a Brazilian wax? That's totally up to you. It's smooth, clean, and for some, totally worth it. But know this, it's not for the faint of heart. And if you do try it, maybe don't film your reaction. Or maybe do. We'll definitely watch it either way. If this video made you smile or squirm, give it a like. Subscribe for more real, raw, and relatable self-care stories. No filters, no fluff, just facts, fun, and a little pain.